Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 15th to 19th December 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see, Euro USD was 0.03% positive on and closed around 1.17399 on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small to medium lower and upper wick. Currently, if I talk about stochastic RSI, it is around 2946 level, which is indicating as a slight positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here, this is a 1-day chart. Currently, I have already marked some important support zones and resistance zone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here I have seen a different data which I have just marked. You can also mark the same data on your chart as well. So now let's talk about the closing first, then we'll talk about what is my expectation for this week. So here 1.17399 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.17168 and direct resistance is 1.17454. After direct support, there is a support of 1.16827 and then 1.16457. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17670 and then 1.17882. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Currently, these are two important support and resistance zone. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Everything is available. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, I have shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from Blueberry Funded. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I am expecting a negative move in this range, that is 1.16827 to 1.17168. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. If you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 1.17454 gets breached and a 1-day or 4-hour candle gets closed above this, then we can go for a long till 1.17670. Overall, my expectations a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.